Welcome to Minett Elementary School, where our vision is to empower leaders by connecting the heart with the mind. Take a look into how we ensure that student and teacher voices and passions are at the core of everything we do.
At Minett, assessment means more than just the STAR test. We use assessments all of the time to help drive our instruction and tailor it to the needs of our students. But more than that, our students know how to use that assessment data to help make themselves be as successful as possible. We set goals regularly, and students have voice and choice in the small group instruction they attend, and they really have the autonomy to tailor their learning to fit their educational needs.
At Minett, we get to choose our small groups.
We get to choose our small groups by filling out a Google form every Friday, and an advantage of choosing our small groups is we get to focus and work on areas where we have a little bit of trouble.
Another reason why choosing small groups is helpful for us is because it helps us accelerate our learning in areas where we are weak in.
Here at Minett Elementary, goal setting is really at the heart of the academic process. We work on building new goals constantly, and whenever kids achieve those goals, it's not only exciting for the individual, but as a community, we really rally around them and support them. And so they get to go to Goal Getters, which is kind of a celebration where different teachers, staff, administration are out in the common area, and they bring a little note saying, I passed my goal and this is what I did. And it just brings a new feeling of community whenever it's not only your own teacher supporting you, but it's the whole community behind you.
In our class, we use goal setting to help us achieve greater heights and to help us collaborate with others, to help us be a better us.
So some clubs here at Minett Elementary, we have our broadcasting crew that does the morning announcements. We have our gifted gambit, which is in the morning, and we play chess. We have our green team, which goes around in the mornings getting all the recycling bins. We have our library crew that helps Miss Fails organize the library during their recess. We have our Alpha Omega, which is like the spirit captains of all our houses here at Minett Elementary. We have our choir, student council, and our student ambassadors, which is 5th grade and 4th grade. They help with touring and other activities. And we have our Rise magazine.
One of the many ways that we stay connected and build community at Minett is through our house system. There are 6 houses that every student lands in. We have Valiente, Ubuntu, Meraki, Alohe, Ingo, and Sahasik. And once they spin that wheel, they are in that house for life. We do house huddles where they do service projects and just do fun things like roll call with each other. It's one of the many things that makes Minett unique.
We have what's called I&E time, so teachers can intervene and enrich with their students, but teachers also get once a week to meet with their teams to plan. But something we do that's special here at Minett is we actually give teachers time once a month, and we have what's called vertical collaborative planning. So for example, 2nd grade and 3rd grade can get together, and for 45 minutes they can look at standards at a line, and we can actually plan units and inquiry units together. And what's really cool is we have what's called open specials, and so while the teachers are together, the students are allowed to have choice, and they sign up for an extra special that they want to do. So they can sign up for music, they can sign up for art. Some sign up to be in this space, which is our student quad, which is a chill zone where students can regulate their emotions and read books. And that just gives back the voice and choice for students.
Here at Ignite, we have the opportunity to go and actually sit in on the plannings of our grade level teams, and we can listen and focus on what they're trying to teach their students, and we can take those skills and tailor them into an experience at Ignite. So for example, if we have a grade level that's starting to learn about severe weather, then in Ignite, when they rotate through at specials time, we're going to be doing experiments with tornadoes and how to actually build a rain cloud. So we're able to reinforce those skills. And speaking of skills, let's think about all the skills that our kiddos need to be future ready.
Thank you for connecting with us at Minett Elementary School.
And clearly, I think Minett Elementary is the best.